Hey there, are you ready to make 2025 your year on social media? So, guys, whether you are starting from zero or already have followers, this is your moment because today I'm going to explore you the complete social media strategy for 2025. Guys, social media isn't too crowded. It's packed with opportunities for anyone with great idea and have a knack for grabbing attention. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and X are all looking for new voices. So, guys, watch this video till the end if you want to learn more about it. Now, before we move on, just a quick info, guys. Simplilearn has got postgraduate program in digital marketing. In this course, you're going to build full stack digital marketing expertise across all key channels. You'll get hands on with 35 plus top tools, 20 plus projects, and 10 plus case studies. And you can crack assessments and unlock a free $99 meta exam voucher. So, guys, hurry up now and join the course. The course link is mentioned in the description box. So, let's get started. So, guys, you'd be wondering why this title says that why 2025 is your time to shine. In 2025, social apps don't care if you have 10 followers or 10,000. They only care if people watch your videos all the way through. For example, let us imagine if you post a 30-second TikTok about making iced coffee, and if 10 people watch every second that tells TikTok, then this sounds good. And they will show it to 1,000 more people. If most of those folks also watch until the end, TikTok might show it to the 10,000 and so on. In short, make videos that keep people glued and the platforms will spread them far and wide, even if you start with zero followers. And that's why 2025 is your time to shine. Because here we have couple of reasons. Like algorithm is rewarding new creators. In 2025, platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and X actively look for fresh voices. Even if you start with zero followers, a well made video which holds viewers' attention for its entire length can be pushed up to thousands, then millions, and also to those people who don't follow you. Next is if you look at AI driven discovery makes it kind of easier. These platforms actually use artificial intelligence to match your content with viewers who have similar interests often before you even realize they want to watch it. For example, if someone frequently watches easy recipes video and you post a short 3 ingredient dessert clip, then AI will surface it to the audience, helping you get the attraction quickly. Third reason is social search is exploding. Guys, in 2025, billions of searches happen daily on social apps, more than on Google. Instagram alone sees about 6.5 billion searches a day. So, by adding popular keywords to your titles, captions, and spoken script, your content shows up whenever people search for those terms. Now, if you look at cross platform testing, it has also become faster. You can use X, which is formerly called as Twitter, as a testing ground without hurting your reputations on reach on other platforms. Then we have low barrier entry to free tools. You don't need fancy equipment or a big budget. A smartphone and free tools like Answer the Public, MailChimp, native editing features are enough for you to start. Because platforms want fresh contents and early adopters of new features like TikTok duets or Instagram's interactive stickers get extra visibility. Finally, repurposing your content multiplies your reach. So these are some of the reasons which can make you shine. So guys, let's move ahead and discuss about steps which will be required for you to have a complete roadmap for a social media strategy. So guys, let us discuss the steps. So first step would be building a team when the time is right. Second is grabbing the attention fast. Then we are going to discuss how the algorithm will do its magic. Then also we'll discuss about making your content easy to find. Then you have to borrow ideas, turn one idea into tons of content, then figure out what people want. Then you have to build an email list, then keep improving and stay ready for a change. Now, let us move ahead and discuss our first step in detail, figuring out what people want. Now, before you hit record, you need a clue about what your audience is already interested in. Think of it like checking what questions they are typing into search bars. So, guys, what you could do, you could go to a website like answerthepublic.com. You could type a keyword related to your niche. For example, if you love baking, you can try cooking recipes, and the tool will show you trending searches on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, etc. Let me show you what I mean to say. So, guys, this is the website answerthepublic.com. So suppose, let's say we want to check on Instagram, okay? And first, you need to create account. So you'll get certain free searches. Like if you are a new user, just right click on this. Now let us check on Instagram like cooking recipes. So guys, it will start loading. Okay, you could download a CSV file. Okay, you could also share this, and let's wait for the results. So you could see you'll get a couple of hashtags. Okay, these are the trending thing. Okay, all over here. And if you click on the people, so you could see this is the channel name, which is showing you like what basically in the realm of cooking they have made their Instagram account. This is an amazing website, and you could try out what are the trending contents in YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, and also Instagram. So it has given a couple of options. Now let us move ahead and discuss our next step. Now our next step is grabbing the attention fast, like using your hook. You have about 3 seconds before people scroll away. So your opening lines or your hook must be super catchy. You can do something like this. You can start with a bold promise or question instead of simple greeting, and try to keep it under 3 seconds. Example, like instead of saying, "Hi, today I'm watering my plant." Okay, so you could say something like this: "Want a plant that's impossible to kill? Then watch this." So you have to be presenting lines catchy like this. Keep them hooked with subhooks also. So after your big hook, drop smaller teasers or subhooks every 5-10 seconds to keep viewers watching until the end. So, with related to the example that I have shared with you, you could say something for the 10 seconds like stick around and I will reveal one plant even that I can't kill. That little tease make people want to stay tuned. So, I hope so you would have got what I mean to say when you want to grab attention by using hooks. Now, let us discover the step 3, that is the algorithm working its way out. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram push videos based on how people watch them, not on how many followers you have. So, focus on making your content engaging from start to finish. If a small group, say 10 people, watches your entire 30-second video, then the platform will show it to 1000 more. If most of these 1000 watch all the way, then it gets shown to 10,000, and so on and so forth. For example, if you post a 30-second video like 3 easy plant care tips, then 10 people watch it fully. So Instagram can show it to 1000 users and who watch at least 80% of it. Now it's reaching thousands, and to those people specifically who are plant lovers, and also those who are not even following you. So the platform AI matches your video with the viewers who have similar interest. If someone watches a lot of plant videos, then your video will keep them hooked, and Instagram will keep showing to the other people. Step 4 is test on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. So, guys, you can call Twitter as your sandbox, like a playground where you can freely test ideas without hurting your reach on other platforms. So, how to do it, guys? Post quick text ideas, short clips, or one line questions on X. After a week, identify which posts got the most likes, retweets, or video views, like your top 10 to 20%. And take those winners and turn them into longer or edited content on other platforms. For example, on X, you can tweet, "There are 3 cactus that survived a month without water. Would you buy one?" Now that tweet gets 500 likes and 100 retweets. So you know it, what resonates. Next, make a TikTok showing a quick tour of your tough cactus plant. Upload a YouTube short titled 3 Cactus That Survive Anything. And next, you can create an Instagram reel with helpful captions like Cactus Tip 1. Let it dry completely. So you have to use ideas like this. So by testing first on X platform, you save time. And only winner ideas go to TikTok, then YouTube and Instagram, where algorithm will love your proven content. The next step is making your content easy to find. Social platforms get billions of searches each day, and Instagram alone has about 6.5 billion searches daily. You want your content to pop up when people search for your niche. How to do it, guys? You can use the website which I've shown you, answerthepublic.com, to find popular keywords like beginner plant tips on TikTok. Put those exact words in your video title, captions, and even say them out loud in your video. Platforms can transcribe your speech. Then add relevant hashtags. Like, for example, in this scenario, you could add beginner plant tips. For example, like a plant blogger makes TikTok title like beginner plant tips 3 easy hacks for busy people. They start with their captions with beginner plant tips. Now, if anyone searches beginner plant tips, then their video appears, getting more views. The next step is borrow ideas, but don't copy exactly. Watch what's working for other creators, even if they are in different niche. Notice their hooks, editing, pacing, or thumbnail style. Then adapt those ideas in your own unique way. You can pick one successful video, study its structure, ask like what made me click, what kept me watching. Was it funny edit, a surprising fact, or a bright thumbnail? Use that same trick for your own topic, but put your own spin on it. For example, a makeup artist TikTok uses quick zooms on product textures with catchy text overlays. Now, a knitting creator saw this and used the same fast zooms to highlight yarn textures in a reel. Result, her knitting reel got twice her usual views because she borrowed the editing style, not the exact content. So you have to use something like that. Step 7 is turn one idea into tons of content. The idea of repurposing. One topic can become text posts, videos, podcasts, blog posts. This saves times and increases your odds of going viral across multiple platforms. Now, how to do it? So start simple with text post, for example, like 3 tips for healthier houseplant. If it get attraction, turn it into a 30-second TikTok showing up tip number 1, let your soil dry out completely before watering. Then you could create a YouTube short listing all 3 tips with quick B-roll of plants. Then a 2 or 3 post clip talking about common plant care mistakes. Or a blog post on your websites that dive deeper, including photos, link to plant products. You can use AI tools like Opus AI to automatically pull 15 seconds hot clips from your longer plant care video, then post those as reel. So this is one thing you could do it. Then the next step is the most important one, like building a team. Don't rush to hire people just because your follower count is climbing. Hire when you start making money, like when brands or sponsors pay you for collaboration. That's when a team can help you scale without costing more than you earn. So how you can do it, guys? Wait until a brand, for instance, a local coffee shop or a small sponsor offers to pay for a post or a video. Then look for researchers, people who find trending topics like which plants are going viral this month, script writers or editors. They can turn bullet points into smooth, engaging script. Okay, or video editors, a polished edit with smooth cuts and caption can keep also people watching the video longer. And also the content coordinator, someone to manage your posting calendar across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. If the budget is tight, hire a college intern or a freelancer on Upwork for simple editing tasks. So this way you can build a team. The next step is building a email list. So guys, algorithms can change overnight. Your followers might shift, but your email list is yours forever. It's a direct line you can control. How to do it, guys? Create a free lead magnet like an ebook or PDF, like top 5 easy houseplants or 3 quick coffee recipes. In your videos, say, want my free guide? click the link in the bio. Use a free tool like MailChimp to collect email addresses and newsletter. So guys, whenever you publish a new video, email your list first. If 100 people on your list watch immediately, the algorithm will notice and push your video to more viewers. For example, guys, a yoga instructor offer a 5-minute morning stretch routine PDF on Instagram. And as her list grew to 3,000, each new reel got a new spike in views from those email reminders, helping her reach new people. The next step is keep improving on. Measure and iterate. You need to know what's working and what's not so that you can tweak your plan. Now, what to track, guys, like watch time. Like, are people watching most of all your videos? Or like engagement, if I talk about like likes, comments, shares, saves. And also, we can talk about clicks, like how many people click the link in your bio or sign up for your email list. So, guys, how you can do it every week, check your analytics on each platform, look for posts with high watch time percentages and which have the strong engagement. Ask like which hooks kept people glued, which topics did they comment on. Every 3 months, revisit your content pillars. You can try new trends like TikTok's do it features on Instagram, collab post, and see also how your audience responds and adapt quickly. And finally, guys, stay relevant for the change. Social media evolves fast. In 2025, AI recommendations will get smarter at matching content to viewers. The creators who try new features first often get extra visibility. So, whenever platform launches something new like Instagram's interactive stories or YouTube's community polls, be among the first to test it. Build micro communities of platforms such as Discord server or Telegram group where your fans can chat directly with you. Finally, guys, you can diversify monetization. Consider affiliate links, online courses, branded merchandise, okay, and also paid memberships for exclusive content. And that will really help you a lot. So, guys, this was the complete social media strategy for 2025 for you to succeed. I hope so. You would have enjoyed our today's video. Thank you, guys, for watching this.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.